Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Mercury effect in our video preview. First add your clip, now copy the video. Go to cutout and remove the background of the video. After that, bring it to overlay. And now copy the overlay video. Now add a keyframe on the video to move it. Like this. Follow my steps. Go to Video Effect and select Solution Effect. After that, go to the object and apply it in the middle overlay video. Now adjust the video effect. It's done. Now please subscribe and like the video for more tutorials.